Are you aiming your career in investment banking? Then listen up, because of tools like Python, SQL and Excel, it's not just essential, it's a must. Those tools are cornerstone in the data-driven decision-making in the financial industry. Excel will give you flexibility to create a variety of different financial models. SQL, in the meantime, allows you to manipulate and to access the data from various databases. And Python here goes much further here. It helps you to automate a lot of processes and also provide the access to much more sophisticated data analysis. And the competitive financial industry, those tools will set top analysts apart. But where to start and how to become a specialist in those tools without spending a fortune? By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding why tools such as SQL, Excel and Python are such a vital in the financial industry, and also I will walk you through some of the best free resources which will help you to accelerate your learning. Let's start with the Excel. So here, no matter how many tools come and go, I believe Excel will always remain the tool of the data analysis in the financial industry, as it's very flexible and powerful. Whether you're building complex financial models or creating dashboards, Excel here is always essential. Enhancing your Excel skills is crucial for the business analyst. Go beyond function like sum or average and make sure you spend enough time to practicing function like pivot, VLOOKUP or array formulas. Enhancing your Excel skills is really crucial for the business analyst. And there is a significant number of the free resources which will help you to achieve that. And here also I will list you some of the resources that actually help me in my career to accelerate knowledge in the Excel. So first, let's start with the Microsoft Excel video tutoring. So as you can see, Microsoft offers a comprehensive video tutorials which covering Excel basic to advanced features, such as intro to Excel, row and column, cell formatting, charts, pivot tables, share and coauthor, linking data types. Second, have a look at the free online Excel also training. So this actually course provide a lot of lessons which cover basic and at the same time advanced Excel topics, from data analysis to pivot table. As I mentioned already, try to practice using a pivot function which will help you to summarize significant large data sets. From exercise, actually you can download the simple data set from the data.co and create the pivot tables that show different data insights. The second tool that I would like to talk here is the SQL. And this is the key that help you to access data from different data sources. As the business analyst, knowing how to write efficient query in the SQL, it will help you to extract, filter and aggregate data for the deeper analysis. From the deep inside, try to practice as much as possible clauses like select, where, join, group by, and try to practice combining multiple tables with the help of joins. And one of the most valuable free resource of the knowledge that I'm going to mention here in this video is of course the Harvard University, that offers variety of different free resources in computer science area. For example, you can focus on the CS50's introduction to the databases with the SQL, which will help you how to read, create, update and delete data with different databases. It also will help you to learn how to model real-world entities and relationships among them using tables with the appropriate types, trigger and constraint. Another free resources, it can be W3 School's SQL tutorial, which also offers comprehensive tutorial covering SQL syntax, query and database management. And finally we have a Python, which is powerhouse of data analysis here. Python allows business analysts to automate processes, build predictive models and also handle data at scale. Start to familiarize yourself and learn about the most essential libraries like Panda for data manipulation, Matplotlib or Seaborn. Those are the libraries that help you to visualize the data, and NumPy, which is the hero of numerical operations. Take a simple analysis that you have done in the Excel and try to replicate the same processes in the Python. In one of my videos, I actually talk about how to use Python in order to download the data, to work with the data, visualize the data, and also I presented to you how you would build the Python script on your oven. And again, coming to the free courses, enhancing your Python skills is very essential for the business analysts and even for other people who are aiming their career in the financial industries. And there is numerous free resources. Again, going back to the Harvard University, there is Harvard CS50 Introduction to Python on edX, which offer in-depth lessons for the beginners. Another free resources is the Coursera, which also help you to get started with the Python course, which covers basic concept of Python programming and how data professionals use the Python on their job. It will also give you an idea and understanding how to use the data structure to store and organize the data. It will give you understanding about the loops, control statements, and the string manipulations. Those resources offer solid foundation to help you build your Python proficiency, essential for effective data analysis and reporting in business analysis. From the tip inside, when you start learning Python, try to familiarize in the beginning yourself how to load the data, how to organize the data, how to clean the data. Also, try to automate the task for report generation and even simple modeling. To conclude here, SQL, Excel and Python, those are not just the skills. Those are actually your competitive advantages in the world of finance. And if you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy this one, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you very much for watching me, and see you in the next video.